Did you know that the little pill you reach for to soothe a headache or reduce a fever has a fascinating journey before it reaches your medicine cabinet? Today, I'm diving into the world of chemistry to show you how aspirin, also known as acetylsalicylic acid, is made. First things first, aspirin starts its life as a compound called salicylic acid. This stuff is derived from the bark of willow trees and has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, but pure salicylic acid can be quite harsh on the stomach, so chemists found a way to modify it to make it more tolerable. Enter acetic anhydride. Mixing salicylic acid with acetic anhydride in the presence of an acid catalyst, typically sulfuric acid or phosphoric acid, triggers a chemical reaction called esterification. This reaction transforms the salicylic acid into acetylsalicylic acid, which we know as aspirin. Cool, right? Now let's talk about the nitty-gritty of this reaction. Precise control of temperature and reaction conditions is crucial. Too hot or too cold and the reaction might not go as planned. It's like Goldilocks. The conditions need to be just right to ensure maximum yield and purity. Once the reaction is complete, the mixture contains not just aspirin but also some leftover reactants and byproducts. So the next step is purification. The mixture is typically cooled down to allow the aspirin to crystallize out. These crystals are then filtered and washed to remove any impurities, but purification doesn't stop there. The aspirin crystals undergo a process called recrystallization. This involves dissolving them in a solvent and then slowly cooling the solution to form purer crystals. It's a bit like making rock candy, only with a lot more chemistry involved. Finally, the purified aspirin is dried and ground into a fine powder. This powder can then be pressed into tablets, packaged, and shipped off to pharmacies around the world. And voila! That's how aspirin is made. It's amazing to see how chemical engineering principles are applied to create such an essential medication. Next time you take an aspirin, you'll know the incredible journey it took from tree bark to tablet. If you enjoyed this chemical journey, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating science stories. Thanks for watching.